your puzzle?
What is it?
What is it?
Beaker.
What else is on there?
What is it?
What is it?
Yeah.
Say it again. Can you say it louder so I can hear you? Is it a fire engine?
No.
Is it a fire engine?
No.
No? What is it?
Dad!
What is that?
What is it? Dad!
That one. Where's the ambulance? Excellent. Where's the police car? Tell me what the big one is at the bottom. What's that?
Middle!
Who?
Middle.
It's in the middle.
Huh?
But what is it?